Hello, Kadaltans. Good morning o good afternoon. On board tayo dito ngayon sa i-vlog natin yung Eden Nature Park, no? Davao City, Toril. Ang i-abil namin ngayon to, itong guided shuttle tour. 330 per head niya. Ayan. Ang ano natin, yan ang sasakyan natin. Pupunta natin yung yes, pupunta natin yung nila, farm nila, no? Dragon fruits, mga lettuce, yung mga flowers, yung racing wheel, yung mga lumad ng mga IPs, yung ng Mindanao, ng Pilipinas. Itong shuttle bus na sasakyan natin. Advance sa Poverty to Janjan Jocampo. Yan. Yan. May free snacks. Free snacks. Itong shuttle na sasakyan. Yan, free snacks. Yabil mo lang dun sa nila. Sa isang refreshment parlor. Ayan, may halo-halo. Yan, may Vista Restaurant. Kasal, binyag, birthdays,
Good afternoon.
Yan
Yung schedule po ng tour at 1 o'clock. We will just call your name for assigned seats and vehicles. Again, yung schedule po ng tour at 1 o'clock. We will just call your name for assigned seats and vehicles. Thank you.
Yan. Parulkul na. May schedule kasi ang ng shuttle, no? Kung gusto niyo i-avail yung horseback riding, hindi to advisable sa mga taga-keyboard na pareha ko kasi may mga kabayan din sa amin. Ayan, swimming pool nila. Ayan, yung mga skywheel. Ayan, cycle, yung bike ka sa sky rider, yung sky swing, yan ang mga bayad, no? Ayan. Ayan siya. O, ayan. So, belated ito, happy Mother's Day celebration to Inday. Ayan. Si Nanay. Ayan. Hello, Nay. Kay Pani at sa kay Bibing. Yung anak niya, yung mga mother niya. Sponsored by, live. Live tayo dito ngayon sa Eden Nature Park. Daming mga dito, foreigners. Yung mga local tourists, marami rin. Ayan, Eden Nature Park. Dito lang yan sa Toril, Davao City. Sa barangay, ang Eden, barangay to.
Munahan for the tour.
Yan roll call na. Hindi ito hindi ito Eden na yung sa
For the
Bible.
tour under Munahan.
Sa Book of Genesis. Eden ito na barangay sa Toril, Davao City. Ayan. Kaya may boat. Ayan. Picture.
Go for the tour. Good afternoon po, shuttle and front last row po.
Last school for basketball. Volleyball. Kan pala. Ayan na. Ayan na. Advance happy birthday, Janjan. Ayan. Kaya bill muna namin ngayon itong yung guided shuttle.
Munahan for the tour.
Ayan. Dito ka magbayad ng yung entrance fee. Magkano kaya yung entrance fee kanina natin? 300 na? 300 ang isa.
Depende kung adult o ano.
Hindi yung adult, 300 ang isa. Tapos yung senior citizen at saka PW, at least 20%.
Dio Campo for the tour. Good
Present.
afternoon, sir.
Present.
Shuttle and front po, first and second row. Dalawa sa first row, dalawa sa second row.
Kanina, shuttle na. Ayan. Magpa na kami. Kisa front seat, ma'am. Ang tour. Kisa sa front seat.
Dalawa po.
Ayan.
Hello, espera lang ka muli. Kaya pasa kami alis. Espera lang.
Duha-duha.
Espera lang. Pasali. Espera ka muli. Man ready ko yun. Kaya pasa lang alis. Man ready ko yun. Kaya pasa lang
Dua-dua?
Dito ka, oh.
Dito, hindi.
Di makadarapang, dari mo.
Diyan ka dyan kay ikaw mag-vlog ka rin. Ayaw, pag bunitin, di ba? Oop na ka rin.
Aw.
Ipos lang anak.
Yes, so good afternoon everyone. Mabuhay Upadayaw and welcome to Eden Nature's Park. Yes, by the way, I am Jean, your guide, and our driver si Kuya Michael. Yes, so yung tour natin, that's 45 minutes to 1 hour. Yes, so we have 3 stopover, which is Flower Garden, Tinugdan, and Lola's Garden. Every stopover, bibigyan kayo ng time para mag-picture taking. Yes, so everyone dito sa left side natin po, that's our fishing village. Yes, so dyan, pwede
Ayan, mga
kayo
wild, no?
coming with ng tilapia or hito.
Well done.
Once you catch a fish, considered as sold na po yan, and that's 400 per kilo. Yeah, so pwede nyo rin i-take out or ipaluto sa atin. Yes, again, on your left, meron tayo native deer. Ito po, extension ng ating
Welder.
deer.
Welder.
Binaw or usa.
Usad, dear.
So dito naman sa right side, we have Vista Cottages. Yan naman good for two. Yes, so perfect for lovers and honeymooners. So 4,540 and it comes with free breakfast. Yeah, so again on your left, ito yung deer park natin.
Oy, usang. Ayan.
Hindi natin usually makikita yung ibang deer since naghahanap sila ng pagkain. Okay, so kaya ginawa yung extension para makita nyo ng malapitan ng mga deer. Okay, so dito sa Eden, nag-start na po tayo from 1 pair, 1 female and 1 male. But for now, we have more than 30 Philippine deer. Or they are commonly known as Philippine Sambar or the Philippine native of brown deer. Yeah, so they also have feeding time which is 7 to 8 a.m. Yeah, so by that time, pinapakain din sila ng lettuce. Ganun ka-social media natin. Oo, nakasangyup din po yan. Okay, mga hawakan tayo sa gilid po. We're going up.
Usa, damo usa daw. Well niya kambing.
Walang ganito.
Well,
Yeah, so here on your side is our hydroponics greenhouses. So it is a soilless way of planting that uses just water. Yeah, so pure organic, hindi po tayo gumagamit ng chemical spray. Yeah, so this is bagong harvest pa lang. Yeah, so meron tayong loose leaf lettuce. By the way, itong lettuce, it takes 35 days from planting bago po yan ma-harvest. More than a month. Dito na side, we have red salad bowl lettuce. Yeah, so yan po medyo mapait compare sa loose leaf lettuce. Yeah, so dito meron din po tayong salad tomato. Actually, the tomato here can grow as big as an apple. And it takes 77 days from planting bago po yan ma-harvest.
kamatis.
Yeah, so yan po lahat available sa restaurant and in selected supermarkets downtown. Guide look for Eden Sea. So this one is Holiday Lodge.
Oy, legs.
Yeah. All good for 2 pa rin po bawat rooms. Across the road, we have Holiday Terraces. Yeah, so that's commonly used for seminar and workshop. That can accommodate 50 up to 70 miles. And here is our mangosteen orchard which covers
Yeah,
around
mangosteen
3
again.
hectares.
My
Pero
God.
separate kami yung area. Yeah, so dito sa Eden, ang season ng mangosteen natin is August. Pero may mga puno naman na may mga bunga dito. Pero hilaw pa lang. Dito na sa marami sila.
Ayan, ayan, ayan na. Ay na, green na, green na. Pag mag-dinog na, violet.
Yeah, so again, across the road, vegetable garden. So rest assured, pure organic. Yeah, so welcome to our first stopover of Flower Garden. Dito refrain na po tayo from picking the flowers. Yeah, so we have man-made rainbow and a frame which is good for pictorials. And also we have St. Francis of Assisi, the saints who love nature. Yeah, so nandito si St. Francis. Yeah, so dito everyone, you will be given 3 to 5 minutes for the picture taking. Before that, mag-group picture kayo po. Mag-a-assist yung guide bawat grupo. Okay, let's go down.